What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. On the last CRZ video, we actually fitted up the wide body front fender arches. So today we are going to clean those up, wrap them, and then mount them to the car. It's gonna be super sick. So stay tuned, let's get to it. Originally I was going to wrap it, but I do have some of this Super Wrap Wheel high gloss paint, and it's actually a really nice gloss black. And the CRZ is gloss black. It's literally no pearl or anything but black. So wraps really hard. This is peelable and temporary paint. It's really durable, so I figure I'd try this first. Hope everything's good. It is nighttime, so it's kind of cold. Actually 65-ish degrees. And this says to do it in 70, so that's not too bad. So let's go check out the panel. Here we have it. My hands are clean. Hopefully we didn't get no dust on there. Let's go spray this thing. We're gonna spray on this gloss black first, and then after all that's on and good, we're gonna go and spray on the high gloss finish, which is a clear coat. Fingers crossed that it turns out good, because I don't want to wrap this thing. Decent top coat, just like spray paint. I want it to be a little gritty so that the next layers stick on there really well. Alright. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes. That actually does not look terrible. Keep going. Put a thicker layer on this time. It's looking pretty sick. Time for layer number 3. I'm not gonna lie, it's looking pretty smooth. You can definitely see the texture through it though, so let's hope that when I throw on these other layers, that it helps that disappear. One more nice thick layer on there. All right, so just an up close to see how everything's looking. I shouldn't touch it. So these little dots are actually rock chips, and I sanded those down. But as you can see, it looks really smooth actually. It just needs a nice gloss finish. I'm pretty stoked. I'm gonna go spray on this final coat, and then we're gonna do the clear coats, and then it should look really good. I'm actually really surprised on how it's looking, and I'm gonna go finish this one up tonight, and then we'll get to the other one tomorrow. So let's go knock that out and then we'll get to it. Alright, I'm gonna go hit these last edges, put a little bit more on the side here. And that's it. Alright, so that is the last layer of this. Sorry, I know the light's not on my face, but that is the last black layer. Now next, I'm gonna let this dry up, and then we'll hit it with some clear coat in another 15 minutes. Alright guys, this is the last coat we're doing high gloss, and this is the top coat. This is 4 coats of the gloss black. It is a little satin looking, so hopefully this fixes that. We still look good, and let's go spray this guy on. It says to get a pretty light layer on there. That's what we're doing. Gonna get like a light, rough layer, and then one nice thick layer on top. Wish I could see under here. I think I'm gonna spin this around because I don't trust myself. All right, hit these edges. One more time down here, over here. Maybe a little thicker than I wanted it, but that was really thick. All right, here we go. Let that one chill. And then we'll do one last thick layer before we done. Alexa, set a time for 10 minutes. Knock this out, go pick up Jenna, and then we're gonna go see Mom. Amazing. All right, guys, that's it for tonight. I'm gonna go pick up the wife and we're gonna go ahead and go see my mom a little bit up north at the casino. So see you guys tomorrow. What's up, everybody? It is a new day and we actually are pretty satisfied with how these fender arches came out. We did the passenger side yesterday and went to go see my mom up north, and now we're back. I actually just sprayed it one last time with one thick layer, and here it is. It is a little gritty as paint usually looks, so I just need to look into if I can actually buff this, because if we can buff this, it's gonna be perfect. I just want to be able to buff out all the imperfections. So I put 4 coats of black, and then this is the 3rd coat of clear. It's not perfect, but for what it is, I'm pretty satisfied. So, I mean, when you put it up to the car, it's dirty right now, and I don't have any rags at the moment, so I can't really wash everything. Once I wash everything, the blacks will be really close to each other. So I already got the other side prepped, and we're gonna go spray this one real quick. But you already watched the last process, so we're gonna go jump to this one being done. All right, here we have it, the final and 10th coat total on these front arches. So did 4 blacks and 6 clears, so here we have it, looking good. It's gritty, so I'm gonna let it cure for a good minute, and then I'll attempt sanding it. If sanding doesn't work, then I'm more than likely just gonna end up getting it legitimately professionally painted, or just professionally wrapped. Either or. The CRZ's front end needs some love, so either way, I might just get a livery in the front end and see how much somebody actually charges me for that. But wait on that, we'll see. Super stoked. I sanded this bottom side and this point to help with clearing the J's lip, and it should be perfect, so I'm super hyped. Once this is done, next is cutting the fenders and letting the paint cure, then installing them and doing the legit final hardware for the section, because right now we just have self-tapping screws. I do want to redo this front bumper, hood, and fender. I might just wrap those. Those will be easier with wrap. What really intimidated me with the wrap on these were these vents, because it's really sharp edges. This guy looks way better than the CRZ's paint right now, just because the CRZ's is filthy, but whatever. We'll get there.